So moving on to what exactly a recursive function is and how do we write one. So as you probably know, a recursive function is a function that calls itself. So you have a function definition, and within the definition you have a statement which calls the same function, void sum. Within the function definition I am calling the sum function again. That is a recursive function. But how long does it keep calling itself? Like if I am going to keep calling the same function inside the same function again and again, there is the possibility of having an infinite loop, right? So we specify a certain condition. So until this condition reaches, the function keeps calling itself with the same or different values. And once that condition is reached, you stop and you do something else. So that condition is called the base case. For example, here when I pass a number n, you call sum of n and then n minus 1 and then n minus 2, n minus 3 and so on. When the number becomes 0, you stop and you print. At that point you are not calling the same function anymore. So that condition where you stop calling the function recursively and do something else, where you end, is called the base case. And in all cases except the base case, we are going to call the same function again with a different argument. And naturally, if you want the function to stop at some point, which you call the base case, you want to keep moving towards the base case. So for example, if I say natural numbers, and if I am saying when the number becomes 0, I want the function to stop working. Now if I have my current number is 5, it should keep moving towards 0. It should keep decrementing itself, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If I am going to increment it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on, if this line was sum of n plus 1, it would go on up to infinity. It is never going to stop. So I have a base case, and my recursive case should be defined such that with every function call, it keeps inching closer and closer to the base case. That is what recursion is all about. Recursive program is a well-defined base case plus a recursive case which keeps leading you towards the base case. So error in defining one or both of the above properly leads to infinite loop.